Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know that I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922-6810-630. My dear friends, today we are going to discuss about Ayurvedic medicinal plant. The name is Daruharidra. So let us start to discuss about this plant, Daruharidra. There are many products are available in the market. For example, Daruharidra Ghan tablet is available. Then powder is also available, and sometimes a tea type of the mixtures are also available prepared from the Daruharidra. Now let us talk about the different things about Daruharidra. The Gana is Arishogna and Kandugna and Lekhaniya group mentioned by Charaka Samhita. That means it is useful for the piles, anti-itching or anti-pruritic, and the scraping to lose the fat tissue. Then by the Sushrut Samhita, it is mentioned in the group of Haridradi or the Mustadi and also the Lakshadi group that contains Daruharidra. The family of Daruharidra is Berberidaceae. Latin name of the Daruharidra is Berberis Aristata. Regional names for the Daruharidra. In Marathi, it is called as Daruharad. In Hindi, it is called as Daruhaldi. And in English, it is called as Indian Barberry. Synonyms for the Daruharidra: Darvi, Kantakateri, Panchpachak, Kelayak, Pitika, Pitadru, Hemakanta, and Darunisha and Nisha. These are the synonyms for Daruharidra. Daruharidra is a thorny shrub, 1.5 to 4 meters tall. Which are the parts that are useful for the medicinal purpose? Stem, root, fruit, and rasanjana, that is ghanasar, is prepared from Daruharidra, which is used in medicine. Properties of the Daruharidra: the taste is bitter and astringent. Post-digestive effect is pungent. Potency of Daruharidra is hot. The properties of Daruharidra: light and dry. What are the actions on bioenergies? Actually, Daruharidra is bitter and astringent and hot. So, stem and root are balancing the pitta and also the kapha. Fruit is pitta shamaka, pitta palliation or palliative treatment is there. Daruharidra, what are the uses? Locally, Rasanjana solution made by adding 250 milligram of powder of Daruharidra to 20 ml of rose water, which can be used as eye drops in conjunctivitis. Rasanjana solution should be used as ear drops in otalgia and ear discharge. Gargling with the Rasanjana solution made in water should be done in problems of the mouth and the throat. That particular solution can be used to clean the infected wounds. Daruharidra can be used as a specific treatment in Ayurveda for the gynecological problems like leukorrhea, where we use the medicated enema with Daruharidra, that is called as Uttara Basti in Ayurveda. Daruharidra eliminates kapha dosha, of course, pathological kapha dosha, pus, and infected discharge in all above conditions. Daruharidra should be applied as a paste in cervical lymphadenitis, fistula in ano, and erysipelas or cellulitis. Daruharidra is used in the problems of digestive system and excretory system. As Daruharidra is a appetizer and carminative because of its properties, it also having the liver stimulant action. It also clears off the pitta sarak, that is removing or carrying the bile in a proper way because of its bitter taste, but also it is a binding agent. Due to the hot potency, Daruharidra should be used in indigestion or anorexia, then pravahika, that is the sticky stool, loose motions, infective hepatitis or jaundice, and many other liver diseases. Actually, Daruharidra can improve your appetite and it also controls your polydipsia, that is excessive thirst. The fruit should be used in anorexia and whenever there is excessive thirst. Daruharidra can be used in the respiratory system problems because it is having anti-kapha property, so can be used in cough problem. Actually, Daruharidra is a blood purifier. So the decoction is used in the second stage of syphilis as a blood purifier. Daruharidra, the product from the Daruharidra is Rasanjana that can be used alone or with binding agent to act as styptic or stopping the excessive bleeding. Tablets of Rasanjana triturated with radish juice should be used in bleeding piles. Daruharidra is also acting as an appetizer. Now, Daruharidra use is in the malaria. Daruharidra destroys dormant doshas in the adipose tissue and improves the function of liver and spleen. Hence, decoction of Daruharidra should be used in the cases of malaria. Daruharidra is also useful in anemia and jaundice to expel the pathological blood and the raktagata pitta, that means the problem of the pitta provocation and the rakta, what you can say, the damage. And this Daruharidra decoction can be used whenever there is a cases of jaundice. Next use of the Daruharidra is various skin problems. Daruharidra removes the unwanted secretions. Daruharidra cleans the adipose tissue and unctuous discharges because of its bitter and pungent taste and dry quality. Thereby, it reduces the itching problem and also the excessive secretion problem from any skin disorder. Daruharidra decoction should be used locally to clean the wounds and it can be used, this decoction of Daruharidra, internally as well. Daruharidra we give to treat the patients of diabetes mellitus. Decoction of Daruharidra should be used with turmeric powder and honey in kapha pittaja diabetes mellitus. Uses of Daruharidra in gynecological problems in female reproductive system. By controlling the flabbiness of the uterus, Daruharidra eliminates inflammation and discharges. That's why Daruharidra should be used in white discharge and excessive menstrual discharge. To treat the ulcers in the mouth of the uterus, that means in the cervical region, and to treat the white discharge, Daruharidra decoction and can be used internally, and also medicated enema like douche of the decoction of Daruharidra can be used externally. Daruharidra paste should be administered with milk in pittaja pradhar, that is white discharge, to eliminate infected discharges. Daruharidra decoction and Rasanjana solutions are also used for the problems of white discharge in the females. Daruharidra is a bitter tonic. Because of its bitter taste, Daruharidra stimulates the digestive enzymes, and also it stimulates the tissue level metabolic process, and that's why it improves the nourishment to all the body tissues and can be act as a better tonic. So Daruharidra is used in general debility. Now, regarding the side effects of Daruharidra, if Daruharidra is used in excess, it can produce vomiting, loose motions, and excessive perspiration and weakness in the heart area. So in these cases, please discontinue the use of Daruharidra and the patient is given milk, ghee, sugar and boiled rice as an antidote for the side effects of Daruharidra. Now, let us understand how to prepare Rasanjana. Equal parts of Daruharidra decoction and goat's milk are boiled together to form the solid residue which is called as a Rasanjana. Commercially obtained Rasanjana should be dissolved in the water, strained and boiled with equal parts of cow's or goat's milk to purify it. Now, the dose of Daruharidra decoction 5 to 10 ml, Rasanjana 1 to 3 grams, fruit 5 to 10 grams. The products, medicines available from Daruharidra, that is Darvyadi Kwath, Darvyadi Leh and Darvyadi oil. Adulteration. Artificially, yellow colored pieces of wood are mixed with Daruharidra medicinal plant. The adulterant loses color on boiling in water. Now, let us see how the Daruharidra can be used as a home remedies. Rasanjana treats inflammatory diseases of eyes. Rasanjana drops should be used in ear discharge. Daruharidra Siddh medicated oil is useful for treating the wounds as the dressing material. Now, some research has already been done in Daruharidra medicinal plant. Alcoholic extract of the root of Daruharidra showed hypoglycemic activity in albino rats. The extract processed anti-cancer activity in human epidermal cell carcinoma of the nasopharynx in tissue culture has been proven. My dear friends, here I would like to make some disclaimer. Whenever and whatever you need at some times, you must consult to your healthcare professionals, and we don't recommend for the self-medication. If anybody of you any physical or psychological or emotional problems, do not hesitate to take paid online consultation with this number 9226810630 for WhatsApp. My dear friends, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the interesting videos regarding the Ayurveda in specific and health in general. I wish you all the best. Take care, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.